What's going on, guys? Outlaw Garage here. Today I'm finna install this airfoil inside my Lt1 throttle body. So I'm reading instructions here. I got this from Midway Covettes, by the way, if you can see that yet. It wants me to take off the throttle body first. So let's get that out the way. So, this one screw, I like to do it cross-threadly. Not cross-thread, cross-pattern. You guys don't have to watch this. I'll bring it back when I get the last screw. Okay, on paper, it's pretty much saying to just take your airfoil, take the screw, go ahead and fit it in like that. And take this little locking piece. I think I'm supposed to sit it in, yeah, this side down. And just tighten it on up. Now it wants you to use Loctite on there, but I'm kind of skeptical on Loctite. I know it works, but I'm kind of skeptical about it. So, and this is how you pretty much install an airfoil. So all you gotta do is put the plate back, attach the screws back, and you're good to go. You guys have a nice day. One more thing, don't be me. I've just broke a screw right here. And I just lost this motherfucking screw. Oh shit, I'm not pointing. I just broke this screw, and I just lost this screw. Broke this one, lost this one. Fuck my life.